Very good morning, my dear students. I am Dr.M.Immanuel Sagayaraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Bishop Heber College. Today I am going to take a class and Morphology of Angiosperms. This is one of very unique topic for you. So this is life related topics. This is the content we are going to study today. Definition and parts of flowering plants, characteristics of leaf, key components of leaves, leaf shape and phyllotaxy, types of leaves, types of leaf shapes, types of phyllotaxy, and finally we are going to see the inflorescence of angiospermic plants. So here just I want to give the introductions about the angiospermic plants. So this structure will explain both shoot and root system of the plant. In the shoot system we can observe the flowers, leaves, stem, and another root system we can observe the roots. Okay. The flowers are the reproductive organs while other body parts are non-sexually reproductive part. So this is, please note it down. Here this picture will explain the complete structure of the plants. The leaves, root and the stem, these are all the shoot system. The leaves will perform the photosynthesis process. The lateral dissimilar appendix of the stem have a leaf base, petiole and leaf lamina. So these are all present here. Born at the node of the stem. So do not possess any apical bud or regular growing points. It's about the stem. It is an ascending axis of the plant, differentiated into the internodes, and a young stem is green and photosynthetic, negatively geotrophic and positively phototrophic. And the root system there are two types of root system. One is a tap root, another one is a adventitious root or fibrous root. Here we are going to see the characteristics of leaves. The leaf is a lateral dissimilar appendages of the stem. So already I show you that the leaf is always born at the node of the stem. So this is a second point. The growth of the leaf is very limited. The leaves do not possess any apical bud or regular growing points, already mentioned in the photos. The leaf has three main parts. One is leaf base, leaf petiole and leaf lamina. So here the key components of leaf, one is leaf lamina, which means leaf blade, broad flattened part of photosynthesis. Here easily we can see in that particular part. The petiole is nothing but this is an petiole. It is interconnected with leaf blade to the stem. Then the leaf base attached to the petiole to the stem may have a stipule. Next we are going to see the leaf shape. Leaf shape is a key morphological features used to identify and classify the plants. So without leaf we cannot identify or classify the plants. So the leaf shape is very important. The leaf shape of leaf is influenced by the plant's adaptation, its an environment, and plays a role in its photosynthesis and the transpiration process. We know that very eagerly. The photosynthesis process is very important to produce oxygens and everything. So we know that if human beings we want to live, we need oxygen. The photosynthesis process is very important here. The types of leaf shapes. So we have two different types of leaf shapes. One is simple leaf. Another one is compound leaves. Okay, the single leaf, nothing but this is a single leaf. Here undivided lamina is present. There is no division is here, only the full length. For example, mango and guava, this is an example for single leaf. If you go for compound leaf, lamina is divided into leaflets. So the lamina, the whole lamina divided into leaflets. It's a group of leaves present here. That is why it is called compound leaf. There are two different types, pinnately compound and palmately compound. For example, neem leaf, it's a pinnately compound leaf. Palmately compound leaf, example, cotton and papaya. The common leaf shapes: linear, lanceolate, ovate, obovate, elliptical, crowded, segregate, raniform, and lyrate and peltate. So these are some example common leaf shapes. For example, ovate, the egg-shaped structure leaf. Already you know that everywhere we can see the leaves. See the leaf egg-shaped like structure, broad at the base. For example, hibiscus leaf is the example for ovate. So these pictures clearly we can see in the different types of leaves: linear structure, oblong structure, lanceolate, ovate, oval, and like that, deltoid, reniforms. So now we are moving to the phyllotaxy. So phyllotaxy is nothing but the study of the arrangement of leaves on stem or branches. Types of phyllotaxy, there are three types. One is alternate phyllotaxy, second one is opposite phyllotaxy, and the third one is whorled phyllotaxy. For example, a single leaf grows in a nodal region. A single leaf grows at each node. It is called alternate. For example, sunflower, mustard. The opposite phyllotaxy, two leaves grow on opposite side, opposite in each other same node. One is opposite decussate, another one is opposite superposed. So opposite decussate, I will show that picture in later. In the next slide I will show you. So for example, Calotropis leaf, this is an opposite decussate. The leaves looks like in the opposite side, arise from the same node. Whorled type of phyllotaxy, there are three or more leaves grow in a nodal region. So here easily we can understand what is phyllotaxy. One is alternate. Each node leaf arise in the each node, a single leaf. This is a opposite decussate. So this is an opposite side. The single node arise two leaves. So here also arise two leaves, but in the opposite sides. That is called a decussate. This is an whorled type. In a single node, the three leaves are arise. Three more than three. 1, 2, 3. So three leaves arise in a same node. That is called whorled type. Another thing is inflorescence. Inflorescence refer to the arrangement of flowers on plant axis. Okay, that is called inflorescence. The flowers may be solitary or grouped in clusters, which means not in a single flower. It's a group of flowers arise in a cluster, in the form of clusters. The type of inflorescence is determined by the growth pattern of main axis and the development of flowers. There are three major type of inflorescence. One is racemose, cymose, and the special type of inflorescence. The racemose type of inflorescence, what does it mean? It is an younger flowers at the top. Younger flowers arise in the top region. Okay. Second one is the cymose type. Older flowers arise at the top, which means the older flowers arise at the top. The racemose means the younger flowers at the top. Young flowers arise and older flowers we can see in the below. Then special types, we have three different type of special inflorescence. I will show you that. Okay, so these are racemose inflorescence. It is divided into various types: raceme type, spike type, catkin, spadix, corymb, umbel, and head. So this picture will clearly show that various structure of raceme type of inflorescence. The first one is raceme. You know that the young flowers arise from the top. Young flowers arise from the top. So here the raceme, corymbose raceme, spike, catkin. So every flowers. So inflorescence you can see that. Another one is the types of corymb inflorescence. There are three major types. One is monocacial type, dicacial and polycacial. Monocacial means a single lateral branch develops below the terminal flowers. So I will show the picture is here. The first one is the dicacial cymes, two lateral branches. The two lateral branches arise. Okay. Polycacial cyme, which is more than two lateral branches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. So there are three important cymose type of inflorescences here. The special type of inflorescence, one is verticillaster, cyathium, hypanthodium. So these are the three different special type of inflorescence. I will show the pictures. So before that, what is verticillaster? A cluster of flowers appear in the walls at the node. For example, ocimum. So ocimum plants, easily we can observe the verticillaster inflorescence. Cyathium, a cup-shaped inflorescence wherein a single female flower is surrounded by numerous male flowers. நீங்க அத பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா நம்ம வந்து யூஃபேர்பியேசி ஃபேமிலில இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் எடுத்து பாக்கும்போது இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். Okay, hypanthodium, a fleshy hollow receptacle with an opening at the top containing unisexual flowers inside. For example, ficus. You know that the fig fruit. So this is a very good example for hypanthodium inflorescence. Okay, so here, so this is the actual structure of the special type of inflorescence, hypanthodium, cyathium and verticillaster. So thank you very much.